What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Just wanted to make a quick video on the Jiffy Seed starting kit. You know, I made a video on making this Jiffy Seed starting kit, and it's a 50 seed packet pellet. And this is what we planted. That's our diagram that we planted, so we know exactly what we have. We have beefsteak, zucchini, rucker, tomatoes, mortgage leftovers, starfish, peppers. Big red. Green peppers. We got so much, y'all. And our zinnias are over here in the corner. So I had to do a video today just to give you an update on the seeds planted on March 11th, 2020, you guys. Lied to you not. I did it right on camera for you. I did a little bit of it anyway. So, you know, I labeled the front. And we're doing our first Jiffy Seed starting kit. Tap it a little bit. And it's on a heat mat. See? It's on a heat mat. First time I ever used a heat mat, y'all. Hand to God. Never used a heat mat. Never even used this Jiffy Seed starting kit. So you guys are learning with me. That's what this channel is all about. Hey, you guys, I love you. You're the best. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. SkinnyBoyRandy, I love you. Click like and subscribe. Click the bell to get notifications. And also, do a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just don't do the middle finger. Okay. So, back to the video. I love y'all. Y'all the best. So, this is our Jiffy Seed starting kit that we started on March 11th. There are our pellets. Ooh, that water's still running out. See? It holds moisture because it's on that heating pad. And look, first things to pop ground, and I see something else too that wasn't there earlier, are our zinnias. And the reason we know these are our zinnias because we made a diagram. Yes. And over here in the corner, I planted 6 zinnias. Yep. Hi, Miss Cheryl Tally Moss. You inspired me for zinnias. Never did it before. And they're the first things to pop up. Look, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 2 I don't see yet. You know, maybe they're just a little sleepy. It's okay. Now, I see something over here. I see a seed popping out. Now, a lot of times, you guys, you think your seeds are popping out of the ground and you didn't plant them deep enough. No, you know you planted that seed deep enough. Okay. That seed is popping out of the ground because the leaf is still in there and the root has come out and it's pushing itself out of the ground. Do not pull your seeds up when you see them popping out of the ground thinking, oh, I didn't plant this deep enough and it's jumping back out the ground. Something coming up right there. That should be, since we have a diagram, second row from the front, 1 seed over. Let's see what we got. That's going to be golden Cali pepper. Wow. Okay. I ain't mad at you. What's that over there? Is that something? I see, you know, I can see. These big eyes ain't up here for nothing, y'all. Nah, they ain't nothing coming out that one. But yeah, we just started this March 11th. But yeah, there's a seed popping up out there. And that seed was not there. So I'm thinking something is pushing it through the soil. So when you see the seed pop out like that, don't think, oh, I ain't planted deep enough. And it just floated back to the top. No, it don't float back to the top. The roots pushing it to the top because you about to get a plant, y'all. Okay. And look, these are zinnias. Miss Cheryl Tally Moss, our zinnias. Never had zinnias. Day in my life. Never planted them whatsoever. You guys, I love gardening with you. I love it. I've learned so much. I thought I knew a lot, and I do know a lot, but you can't know. Nobody knows everything. And just to learn so many different ways, you guys, I love you. You're the best. But yeah, this is the Jiffy Seed starting kit. So far, I am very happy. This came from Amazon. The mat came from Amazon. And it comes with its own dome. So we're going to leave them alone. Put them back on. Oh, a lot of people want to know. How do you, when they pop up like this, now it's time for the grow light. Okay? I don't care if nothing else is up. You know you got germination. And you don't want your plants to leg. Okay? Now that one, it looks like it's legging, but it's not. It's a zinnia and it's just coming out the ground. So what we're going to do is put our green light on. Our green light. Lord forgive me. This is a greenhouse, a Jiffy greenhouse. We're going to put our grow light on the Jiffy greenhouse. So I'm going to put the lid back on. And it just sits right into the little slot. It's not a snap or anything like that. And then I have my grow lights. You guys, you know, we install and put together. And I already had it on them, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what's going on. And then you want your grow light. A lot of people are like, how close do you put your grow light? You want that grow light all up in there. You want that grow light just like that when the plant's coming up. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But since you don't want the bulb sitting right on it, these are clamped. And you just clamp it on. I'm just clamping it on to one of my little YouTube bases. Just like that. And I wanted it a little taller. But these are adjustable. I forgot. Yeah, these are adjustable. You can adjust to what you need. And as long as they're on these fresh starts, they're good to go. Oh, I'm sorry. You see it? They're hitting right on those zinnias. Because you don't want those plants to reach for light. You can see inside there, you see that? Yep, you don't want them reaching for the light. You want them to have all of the light that they need. And I'm going to adjust this, but I really want it like, this dome is perfect for the distance that you need. Pretty much it's like 2 inches from the plant. This dome is perfect for that. So yeah, you guys, when you first see your seedling sprout like that, put that grow light on them and leave it on there 24/7. You can turn it off for 8 hours when you go to bed, but then turn it back on. Because anybody got no money for no light bill? Anybody got no money? Okay. Yep, so just wanted to give you a tutorial on the Jiffy Grow Kit 50 pellet. And we do have germination. So I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. We got the spring is here. We're going to do some great things. I love you. Grow your own food. Y'all be safe. Wash your hands. And avoid this coronavirus. Please avoid it if you can. Be safe. Wash your hands. Don't touch stuff and do all that. I love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff. And all the stuff in here, we're going to eat it.